how to change your prices on booking.com. For that, you need to log into your admin ID. So go to admin.booking.com. Once you log into it, once you get there, make sure to log in with your admin ID, and this will be your homepage right here. From here, at the top tab, you can see calendar and pricing. Click on it and then go to calendar. Once you are in your calendar, you can scroll down to view your calendar right here. And from here, you can edit the price. So as you can see, the standard price is $20 right now. So in order to edit it, you can just edit the price for, let's say I want to increase it to $30 and click on save. Now, as you can see, it's changed to $30. So if I want to change this for a whole month, as you can see, for the next whole month, it's $20 for the whole month. So I can just select every day from here and select the whole month right here. If I drag this, whole month will be selected. And if I go to the standard rate and change it to $30, scroll down and save. Now the prices will be changed to $30. And that's how you can change prices on booking.com. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.